How to bold text on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and on today's video I will show you how you can bold text on Viber. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Viber application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Viber account. After that, you have to open up the chat where you want to bold the text on. Once you're on your chat, please navigate to the text field. Here, type in the text that you wanna make it bold. After that, select your text in the chat piece. Here you have various options such as cut, copy, paste, share. There's an option as bold. Simply tap on bold and your text will be highlighted as a bold. Now you can send it. But in case if you cannot find the option as bold in your mobile device, then what you have to do is type in asterisk, then type your message. After that, again type in asterisk, and then that's gonna bold your text. Now you can send your bold text. And that's all. That's how you bold text on Viber, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.